Hello.
Hello.
Today we're wearing orange.
Yes.
And we're going to make zucchini bread.
Green. Green, orange.
Green, orange.
See? And green, orange.
Yeah.
That's our theme.
While Michele grates one medium-sized zucchini, I will butter the pan.
Where did we get a recipe from?
Okay, so we got this recipe from Sally's Baking Addiction, but we are, what is that one?
Oh, okay.
So, Sally's Baking Addiction, but
Right.
we've modified it a little bit.
So, in the recipe it says to
Blot. Don't squeeze all the water out of the zucchini, but just gently blot.
Can you see? Because I noticed last time I held the spices up, that little plate, and you couldn't even see what was in it. And
1 cup of zucchini.
I think Michelle's always in a hurry.
Michelle's always in a hurry. One of the modifications that we've made is that instead of putting oil in, we're going to use butter. So we've
Right.
melted half a cup of butter, half a cup.
White sugar, and half a cup of
Okay.
enough.
Yeah.
I didn't, oh, that was one of Carter's jokes. Why didn't the guy eat 2 eggs? Because one was enough. No, it was very cute. Vanilla.
2 teaspoons of vanilla. And now
Okay.
let's add in our
Zuckers.
1 cup of zucchini. And remember, we don't want to overmix.
So easy. What is this?
Half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. And we'll mix that into 1.5 cups of flour. Yeah.
So you should kind of see.
Whisk it together, but we're
Right.
not. And then the spices while I'm mixing.
Now you can see it. Remember I
There
did
we
the
go.
plate and you couldn't see.
2 teaspoons of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of
Nutmeg.
nutmeg.
Yeah, you can see the little nutmeg.
Mix her up nice
And
nice.
our oven is preheated
to
350. I would take a piece with my finger, but
Why not? Taste test is always important.
do you want it or shall I? Now I can't
Now you
stick
can-
it back
yeah, you
in.
can.
No taste test for Michele.
Sorry.
Put
it into the
batter
batter.
into the buttered pan. Put the batter into the buttered pan. That's a good vocal warm-up. Now
Now
I
I can
get
try
to
it.
taste.
Let's smooth it out a bit. How
I
is
got
it?
it. Well, what could
And
be
you
wrong?
ate it from
Butter,
the spoon.
sugar, eggs. Yeah, but we're finished.
There.
Okay. Oh, all this.
Put it into the oven at 350 for 45 to 55 minutes. But check on it. Timer went a little bit less than 55 minutes. I'd say it was about 40 to 45.
I think it's perfect.
Toothpick check. Stick her in. Comes out clean.
Yay.
We're good to go.
Okay.
We'll try it after.
And
it's
let
off.
you know.
Because Cynthia told us we have to.
We have to. Yes, cheers, Michele.
You want to try?
Fresh cheeks.
Mmm.
Oh, it's really good though.